Welcome back. I'm excited to share more refined phrases to enhance your communication and polish your English. Instead of "hold on a second," try saying, "Could you give me a moment, please?" It sounds more courteous. Instead of saying, "I'm so excited," you can say, "I'm thrilled about this." It adds sophistication to your enthusiasm. Rather than saying, "Shut up," a more elegant approach is, "Could we take a pause here?" It's more considerate. Instead of just "thanks," try saying, "I truly appreciate it." It conveys deeper gratitude. When someone apologizes, don't say "it's okay." You could say, "I understand, no worries." It's graceful. If you're declining an offer, instead of "no thanks," say, "I appreciate the offer, but I'll have to decline." When asking if someone needs help, instead of "Do you need help?" you can say, "Is there anything I can assist you with?" Instead of saying, "I'm not sure," try, "I have some reservations about that." It sounds more refined. To end a conversation, instead of "I need to go," say, "It's been lovely chatting, but I must be off now." By using these phrases, you'll elevate your language and make a positive impression. Which phrase do you like the most? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on refining your English. Thank you for watching.